Hey up everybody, how's everybody doing? So today I'm in Mablethorpe. Yes, Mablethorpe. This place is well and truly famous. You see it all over social media. Open all year round, even open in the winter. I've been here in the winter and people have been buying ice creams. But they've got a new thing out. They've got a new thing out. What's going off? Does she want to be on camera? Yeah. Come here. I'll get a camera bomb then. So we're at Mablethorpe and they've got some new stuff out. So they're actually doing Crumble. Yeah, so we're going to try the Crumble out. Like I say, it's all over social media and we're going to come here and try it. So like I say, we're in Mablethorpe, it's the beginning of the season. We've come on a Monday because normally weekends are packed, jam solid. I've known the queue from being here all the way up to the seafront, believe it or not. And like I say, we came in the winter once, so I did a video at the Beck having the carvery. There was people buying ice creams and it was freezing. So today, let's go and try this Crumble at Mablethorpe Rock, which is new. It's only opened in February, and we're going to try it out, see what it's like. I'm going to show you guys what it's like, and yeah, let's give it a taste. Come on guys, let's go. Right, as you can see, so this is a Monday and there's still people queuing up waiting for the Crumble. So this is all new, been done February, they've actually been saying, but it is, people are coming from everywhere to try this out. How you doing? Are we all right?
I'm all right, thank you. What would you like?
Right, so tell me a bit about the Crumbles first.
So you can have apple or hot cherry.
Yeah.
Hot cookie dough, hot brownie, banoffee or pancakes.
Wow.
And then you have custard or ice cream.
Yeah.
Sauce and a topping.
Wow.
£5.50.
So, £5.50.
Yeah.
So how big's the thing? £5.50. Right, so that's how big it is, £5.50.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
Would you like one?
Yeah, I'd love one. So what I want to do is try a mixture. Is that all right?
Yes, just
so
for you.
Can we have an apple and a cherry?
You can. You're going to have half and half.
Yeah, half and half, and we'll see what it's like.
Would you like custard?
Oh, I'd love custard.
And what sauce would you like up there, look?
So what's the sauces again?
So you can have these, look, Nutella, toffee, white chocolate, Biscoff, cherry, Bueno.
Oh, I'll have white chocolate.
White chocolate
Do
sauce.
you know I'm diabetic as well?
Well, just a little one for you.
No, well, you know, I'm...
And what extras would you like? So
you get extras as well.
So there's the toppings, look, Biscoff,
yeah,
marshmallows, white chocolate, Oreo, Kinder, fudge.
Oh, this is too good, this. Marshmallows. I hope my diabetic doctor's not watching me doing this, you know, because I'll be in trouble next time I go to see him. So I best not to.
Fine.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, I'll have the marshmallows. Go on, the marshmallows as well.
Marshmallows,
yeah.
Okay, Denise will make you that then. That's
lovely.
£5.50, please.
That's all right. So what we'll do, we'll try it out. We're going to get it. We'll try it out. We're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to taste it, and we're going to tell you guys what it's all like. So, what's your name again? Sorry.
Amanda.
Amanda. Amanda's here. Look, isn't she very nice? Yeah, serving all the customers. So it's really been busy, hasn't it?
It has really been
Really busy.
Yeah.
All through the winter you're open as well, aren't you?
We stop in October.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, just for a month.
Yeah, and then we'll start again in February.
Yeah. Yeah, like I say, we came to the Beck. I did a video on the Beck, and people was queuing in the winter, and it's freezing cold outside, and they're still having their ice creams.
Yeah,
so
it's the bike racing, you see.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I forgot about the bike racing.
That, you
yeah.
see.
So what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to put Google Earth to show everybody where it is, because a lot of people don't know where you are. You were saying to me earlier, weren't you?
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll Google Earth it as well. So I'll point it right down from the Earth, and we'll see where Mablethorpe is and exactly where you are. So everybody can see you. Right. We'll get this crumble. We'll give it a try.
We'll make that then. Okay. I'll shout you when it's ready.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah.
There you are.
Wow, check that out. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
So just check that out, eh? That looks really good. Which is your favourite?
Oh, well, I like banoffee.
Yeah?
With toffee sauce, biscuit
£11
bits.
Ooh, banoffee.
That's my favourite.
Yeah. Do you have one every day?
No.
Every other day?
Yeah.
Good, right.
All right,
Right, we'll get
thanks
tucked
very
into
much.
this. Thank you so much. But just look how good that looks, eh? Wow. So, here we go, guys. Check it out, eh? Let me take a view from the top and you'll see what I've actually got. Right, here we go. Let's give this a taste. So I've got the marshmallows on the top. I've got white syrup. And the custard. Wow, this is delicious. So I've gone for the apple and the cherry as well. Ooh, this is lovely. You've got to come to Mablethorpe and try one of these. It is beautiful. People coming in and out as well though. Really, really busy. So the word's getting out, they're actually doing these. I don't know anywhere else that actually does them, but it's really nice. Marshmallows on the top as well. Let's dig deep. So as you can see, wow, the crumble there. So if you love crumble, you're gonna love one of these. This is delicious. You get so much as well. So £5, I think she said at the beginning, was it £5? And all the different choices to do, all the different flavourings. So sorry, it was £5.50 and it's sauce. It's not syrup, it's sauce. So yeah, I had the white sauce on it. Delicious, absolutely delicious. Let's try a bit of the apple and dig deep into the bottom, look. Wow. Really warm as well. Yeah, beautiful. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck in, I'm going to eat it, we'll have a chat at the end and I'm going to tell you what it is really like and if you enjoyed it or not. But up to now, I think I will. See you in a minute. Well, everybody, what do you reckon? It's all gone. So that tells you how good it was. That was amazing. You know my favourite word, amazing. That was amazing. I would give that, if I was giving it scores, I would actually give that a 10 out of 10 because that is excellent. Really enjoyed it. So you've got to come here. You know, we've just been talking to the staff. is people come from all over the country now. They've seen it all over Facebook and they're coming from all over the country. So one guy actually come all the way from Nottingham last Friday night, because they actually opened to 8 o'clock, is it, did you say? 8 o'clock at night on a Friday night. Came all the way from Nottingham just for one of these. How many did he have? Did he just have the one?
I think he had a couple.
Oh, what, to himself?
To himself, though.
Oh, he had a couple. So if you're out there, the guy that come on the Friday night, especially for one of these, and I bet you really enjoyed it. Put it in the comments below and just let me know that you enjoyed it. You must have done. You won't come this far and have one of these, would you, and not enjoy it, because they was really good. And there's not many places that I know of actually do these. I had one at Winter Wonderland, but I tell you what, it wasn't as good as this. This was really good. So yeah, really enjoyed that. Right, see you in a minute. Right, so they don't just do the crumble, you know, they do the ice creams. This is where it all started, doing the ice cream. So just check out these ice creams and look at the prices as well. So reasonably big price as well, all the ice creams are. So just check out all the flavours. And they even do donuts as well. Don't they look good? So all through the winter, only October when they actually close, it's actually still open. So we're going to try one of these ice creams out as well. I know I've had a crumble, but I've got to try the ice cream out, haven't I? Yeah? So what are you going to do, me?
I'm going to make you a quadruple. Got all 4 flavours on there, all the main 4 flavours.
Yeah, a quadruple.
Yeah.
And you get a flake with it as well?
Yes.
And that's £3, yeah?
For that, yes.
Right, let's try a quadruple. I'm going to lick it. I'm not going to eat it all. Because I know you out there, you lot out there saying, how greedy is that guy? He's had ice cream and crumble as well. But, and you know, I always say, I may have a big belly, but I don't eat a lot. Right, let's see it being done. So we've got vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and what's the top one?
Blue raspberry.
Raspberry, blue raspberry. Wow, look at that. I say, that looks, look at that. And that's only, what's that, that's only £3 with a flake in it as well. Wow, just check it out. I'm going to be really poorly in all this. I know all you diabetics out there, they message me and say, how do you do it, Neil? You eat all these different foods, sweets and everything. How do you do it, Neil? It's a bit of trickery. Yeah, I do look after myself. So let's give it a try. Yeah, so we've got the blue raspberry. Blue raspberry. That's delicious. I'm going to come back, you know, one day and have one of these and full one. And then we've got the chocolate.
Yep.
Oh, chocolate's good as well. And then we've got the strawberry. Get it all over. Oh, it's so tasty as well. Where do you get all your ice creams from? Is it local or?
I don't actually know. It's semi-local.
Semi-local.
Like emergency deliveries, so it's.
Yeah, you get emergency deliveries.
Yeah,
because they sell out that much. They have emergency deliveries. Yes. Right, try the vanilla. Wow, very tasty. Yeah. So yeah, and a flake on it as well. That's really nice. So thank you very much for that. This is beautiful. I might just have to have a little bit more, to be honest. So yeah, you've got to come here, guys. But make sure you get here really early, because the queue will be miles long, won't it? So in the summer, you'll be queuing for a long time, I'm afraid. But you have loads of staff on anyway, don't you?
The queue goes down very quickly, just also builds up very quickly.
Yeah, so yeah, builds up quickly, but it goes down quickly. So they try and get you served as fast as they can. But yeah, but you can make sure you get here early, and then you will definitely get one. What time do you actually open and close?
So we aim to open for around 10:30 every day. And
yeah.
Weekdays at the minute we shut at around 5 o'clock, and then weekends 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Fridays we go until 8.
Yeah, you did say 8 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, and then during the summer we stay open till the summer holidays.
Yeah.
We stay open till 10 p.m. every day.
10 p.m. And people, do they come out of the pubs and have an ice cream?
Yeah, it's mostly they come out of the arcades and they come. But it's still busy till 10. We could, honestly, I think we could stay open all night.
Crikey. Well, it's brilliant. And you're so nice as well. All the staff are so nice, friendly, smiling faces. So yeah, really good. Thank you so much.
All right.
I'm going to tuck into this a little bit more now. Nice talking to you. Wow, that was amazing. So yeah, you get yourselves here, Mablethorpe Rock, get that crumble. Like I said, they're coming from miles and miles away to try this crumble out. There's a couple down here having some at the moment, but they won't go on camera. Look. Yeah, was it good though? Are you enjoying it? Yeah. Yeah, really good. Well worth the money. Yeah. Yeah. Would you definitely come back for some more? Yeah.
Yeah, we would actually.
Yeah. So they were going to come back for some more. They really enjoyed it. Which flavour did you have, by the way? Brownie. Crumble topping, custard, Kinder Bueno. Wow. So yeah, really good. So yeah, we're in Mablethorpe. So if you're around here, I put Google Earth up showing you where it actually is. You need to get yourselves in there. Yeah, get that crumble. Right, thanks for tuning in. Before we go, if you haven't done already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up as well. I'm off on my next adventure. Might be a food review, no telling what it'll be, but yeah, I'm off. Right, see you all soon. Great to be back in Mablethorpe. See you guys.
Neil R, a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea. Exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's towns to the salty seas. He's the one who takes the leap in places where the waves do sweep. With every step and every view,